Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to let a child account buy games on Steam Family. Have you set up Steam Family Sharing but discovered that your child account cannot buy games on its own? By default, child accounts in a Steam Family group need approval from an adult family member before they can make purchases. This helps prevent unauthorized spending and gives parents control over what games are being bought. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to let a child account buy games on Steam Family and how the purchase approval system works. First, open Steam on the parent or adult account. You can do this either through the Steam desktop application or by signing in on the Steam website. Once logged in, look toward the top left corner of the Steam client and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings window, look at the menu on the left side and click on Family. Here, you'll see information about your Steam Family group, including the adult and child accounts that are currently part of the family. If the child account is already a member of your Steam family, select the child account from the list. Steam allows adult members to manage permissions and review purchase requests from this section. Now, sign in to the child account. Browse the Steam store and select the game you want to purchase. Click Add to Cart, then choose Purchase for Myself. Because this is a child account, Steam will not complete the purchase immediately. Instead, it will generate a purchase request and send it to an adult family member of the Steam family. Return to the parent or adult account. When a purchase request is submitted, Steam usually displays a notification in the client. You can also check manually by opening Steam, clicking your profile name in the top right corner, and looking for pending family purchase requests. Open the request and review the game details. Steam will show the title, price, and the account requesting the purchase. If you approve the purchase, click Approve Purchase. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to complete the payment using the payment method attached to the adult account. If you want the child account to use its own Steam wallet funds, sign in to the child account, click the account name in the top right corner, select Account Details, then choose Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Keep in mind that Steam does not allow child accounts to bypass purchase approvals. An adult family member must approve purchases. If purchase requests are not appearing, make sure both accounts are in the same Steam family group, update Steam, and sign out and back in to both accounts. Also, verify that the parent account still has adult permissions. Once approved, the game will automatically be added to the child's library and can be downloaded right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.